Hi, this is me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of Find and Replace, the next step. This is just an example, but I've created all these shapes and I've turned them into curves. And if you grab your shape tool and you lasso it, it'll tell you right here, you've got 16 curves or 16 nodes. A star has 10. You got to select it, and then so a star has 10. A five-sided pentagon has 10. A square has 4, and a circle has 4. So if we know that and we want to select the 4s, we can have exactly 4. But if you don't know exactly, when you go to find and replace, find new object, begin new search. We want to find curves. We want to find specify, and then we can do number of nodes. We can do exactly. We can do more than or less than. We're going to do less than 6. That'll cover all the circles and the squares, but won't find the stars or the pentagons or the octagon. Go next, finish, find all, X out of there, and bold and behold, it just found the curves with 6 or less nodes. Now we could have done the exact opposite. Let's put them back. Let's go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Objects, New Search, Curves, Next, Specify. This time we want to go more than 6. So it's going to find objects that have more than 6 nodes. And did it find them? Yes, it did. So it left the objects. Now, not too many people ever need to probably find nodes, but this is just one of the areas that you could, help you find and replace, just one more avenue. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.